So guys, I carry updates come, but first of all I want to read this thing so that you guys get to understand what I'm going to be explaining in this video, right? So let me read this thing for you guys. This guy said over 40 million views in less than 24 hours on our copy content. You that have brain to think content is struggling to get 1k views. Advise yourself, it's never too late. This year just started, but till then tell me congratulations on the comment section. All right, okay, so basically this guy on this post, he attached the particular video that gave him the 14 million views, right? And do you know exactly what these guys are actually doing? They are not really doing any big work. What they do on Facebook is, let me say for instance, if I create a content and my content goes viral, they will just go and copy that content and recreate it their own way, right? It's not only this guy, a lot of creators are doing it, all right? And these guys are making money. Just imagine 40 million views, and this is not the only video. There are so many people, even Sabalo self, I don't know, you guys know Sabalo. I know I'm not supposed to be calling their name, but a lot of them, they are recreating content. Like when they watch somebody's video, a video that have already gone viral, then what they're going to do is that they will just go and shoot that content, reshoot it, and upload it on Facebook and still make money off it. Okay, let me tell you something. Currently, Facebook monetization now have changed. This time around, we are in a content monetization era, and you know that this particular content monetization, mostly it favors people that are doing original content, right? So instead of you like going to post people's video and be getting copyright or violation, why not you try this out? It's simple. Even if you don't know how to act a serious skit, you can find those small one that are actually going viral that you can add and remake it. Understand? I will even appreciate if you are copying people's content and reshooting it better than publishing people's content, right? Because when you are publishing people's content, you have risk of being violated, and most times you might actually lose your page, and sometimes you might struggle in like growing all this audience, growing this followers, and at the end of the day Facebook might not monetize you, or sometimes Facebook might actually monetize you, and on the long run you might lose that monetization, right? But when you watch somebody's video and see that this video have already gone viral, which means that this pattern this guy used is okay, then go and reshoot that content. Is now your original content, right? Is your original content. The only thing you stole is the idea, right? And you are not the only person stealing idea. Most of the content you're seeing on social media, we all copy each other. Even in my own niche, sometimes you might like run out of idea, then you just need to go to the people that are doing the same thing you're doing, right? And go and see their recent videos that are going viral and remake it. Understand? You see, that's your original content. The only thing is that you just copied that person's idea. So instead of you going to TikTok, going to Instagram to download people's video to post on Facebook that might actually cause issue for you, right? Why not just do this thing that these guys are doing, right? This is the new way guys are actually making money. I know countless of creators that are doing it. I've been wanting to make video on this, to encourage you guys to actually try this out, because there is no idea that is original. A lot of ideas you see out there on Facebook, most of them are copy. Understand? You too can go out there and copy. Understand? It's not a bad thing. We all are here to make money. You can copy anybody and post it, but the most important thing is that make sure that you don't post people's video. You don't just carry people's video and post it, but you can go there, react anything where the person act, you act them exactly the same way, put them there. If there is this particular trend that people were walking around and before you know something disappeared. Do you know how many creators that created that content? Because that particular content were going viral, and a lot of creators recreated it. There is particular one again that was trending recently. The guy was barbing, and immediately he looked away, the car disappeared. Understand? So a lot of people recreated that content as well. Understand? This is copy, and the copy is actually makes sense. It's not every time that you have time to think. It's not every time that idea comes to your head. Sometimes it's still good for you to copy people, but don't just download the video and post. You can act the thing that the person acted, then publish it, right? So you can go out there and do the same thing and make money, guys, right? So if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, just say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this update, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.